Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay, we're in the testing for the auxiliary aux cable. So let's try to play some audio connecting the TG-123 with the aux of my laptop. And there you go. So as you can see, it's now connected. Let's try
Bluetooth
to
mode.
no, that's Bluetooth. That's radio. So supposedly the other one would be the aux. So let's try to play.
It sound right, boys.
No.
Bluetooth mode.
Was discussing my progress report on my direction on or my objectives on becoming monetized, to be monetized here in YouTube. But I never really had a specific talking about social media strategy.
Bluetooth mode.
To discuss this in a diagram form that I will show you. So in the first triangle, on top of the triangles is of course my YouTube channel, or YouTube, because YouTube is my main platform. So if you have a main platform, okay, it's only pause. YouTube will most likely pay me when I get monetized versus the others. So what do you do if you have a YouTube channel? So if you're using aux, you cannot control the player, social media platforms. But if you're using Bluetooth, you could control the player, like pause and play to my YouTube. Triangle 1 is YouTube. It is my primary media. It creates relationship with my viewers and subscribers. So supporting my YouTube are two other important social media platforms. These are Facebook, which is my primary support media. Facebook is my primary support media. It helps me build relationship and also drives in traffic towards my YouTube. Why? Because here in this part of the world, Facebook. So, the aux works, no problem. Thumbs up. It is a given that you need Facebook to drive your
Bluetooth
traffic.
mode.
I know that Facebook is also